Hello to all of you. So in previous lecture, we discussed what is the ITS, means Intelligent Transport System, and discuss about what is the smart vehicles and so what are the features of smart vehicles. So in this lecture, we discuss about there is new technology which is used in smart vehicles. Clear? So first of all, that first technology which are used for next generation smart vehicle that called a vehicle to cloud connectivity means you know that about clouds means iCloud. There are various types of applications which are used. So that clouds are being positioned as the best in class infrastructure. Like there are the servers, storage arrays, and network modules, which are for effectively and efficiently hosting a variety of platforms. Here, there are two types like integrated development environments and rapid application development tools. So that ITS takes full advantages, means which is very bad, get advantages of various sensor, real-time connectivity with cloud, which have been integrated with the vehicle servers analyze data through complex data analytic algorithm and suggest any upcoming service requirement, navigations and apps. Means you know that there are in car there are particular systems are there which is called Google Maps, navigation systems, clear. So that are connected with the cloud. So, like in Tesla or in some automated vehicles, so you can update your system with cloud. Like in our mobile phone, so that mobile phone which are connected with one server, so that there are any updates, so that get a notifications on bar, so we can update our phone. So like in same in this vehicle to cloud connectivity, so you can update total whole vehicle systems by the cloud, and this all data which is very useful for that cloud connectivity. The second one, vehicle to vehicle connectivity. Clear? So this is the one type of real time exchange of decision for that among of all vehicles. Clear? So you know that there are different types of system which are used to exchange, means which type of vehicles nearby our vehicle, so we can easily know about the vehicle dimensions. Clear? So in Kia in top model, you know that there are 360 views are given by that particular system. So you aware about which side or which direction you go or which side have obstacles. Clear? So you can easily detect by this vehicle to vehicle connectivity. Clear? So that V2V vehicles connectivity, that road will be able to connect and communicate with another beneficial. Means your vehicle connect to another vehicles. So these communications or the uh, type of facility which are beneficial for us. Clear? Then third one, field oriented control, that called FOC. Clear? So it is one of the method which is used in variable frequency drivers or variable speed drivers to control the torque. Otherwise, we can say that speed of three-phase AC electrical motors of controlling current. Clear? So it is one of the newest method which is used to control the torque. Clear? By the FOC, the torque, or otherwise we can say that speed and the flux can be controlled independently. Means you can also control a torque, you can also control a flux, and that FOC provides faster response than it is required for application. So that called field oriented control. Then fourth one, geofencing. Clear? It is a one type of feature in a software that uses GPS or RFID to define the boundaries. Clear? So it is a one type of features, means which indicate the boundaries nearby your vehicle. So that many types of applications of geofencing which incorporate Google Earth to administrate or to define the boundaries nearby us by the satellite view. Clear? And this feature gives complete flexibility and solution, setting up real-time alarms to inform unauthorized vehicle movements and other exceptions. Means it gives alarms to driver that or inform that unauthorized vehicle movements. Clear? Then fifth one, electronic braking system that called EBS. Clear? So it is very widely used in new types of vehicle, and it reduces response and build up times brake cylinders. This in turns reduce braking distance by several meters, which can be deceived. So these are five technologies which are used in new generations of smart vehicle. Most of the five technology which are already used in smart vehicles. The next one, sixth one, kinetic energy recovery system. Means you know that kinetic energy. So by some applications or by some system, you can convert kinetic energy into that particular energy. So kinetic energy recovery system, often known as a KERS, is automatic system for recovering moving vehicles kinetic energy under braking. Means that system recover energy from vehicle when vehicles kinetic energy under braking. So that type of energy stored in reservoir, or for example like a flywheel or high voltage battery. So that energy which can use under acceleration. Then seventh one, sensor. Clear? You know that there are lots of sensors are there. Clear? So in this broadest definition, a sensor is a device or module or subsystem. What is the purpose? It is the purpose to detect or events or change in the environments and send the information to electronics and frequently a processor. So it can detect what are the changes or what are changes or events in its environment, and that type of information sent to that particular electronics equipment or processor. So a sensor is always used with a electronic, done whether as simple as a light or as complex as a computer. The eighth one, system for automated parking. So as I said that there are different types of systems are used in different types of vehicles. Clear? So there are some types of vehicle like a Fortuners and Evers which are equipped with the automatic parking system. Clear? So that system identify the parking space and park automatically by this system. Clear? So that system require that particular infrastructure which is connected to that system. So you can easily, or that system can easily park that vehicle. Then self-driving cars, and you know that self-driving cars means Tesla. Clear? So there are different types of self-driving car, but most popular is Tesla. So in self-driving cars, you put the destination and you can easily reach the destination by without any effort. So you can get a safety, comfort, clear. Then augmented reality cars. So you know that augmented reality cars which are widely used in nowadays. So that systems are very useful, clear, to predict which type of vehicle or to warn that particular driver that peoples are walking on pedestrians or there are obstacles. So that are augmented reality which are widely used in smart vehicles. Clear? The next one, fuels of future. So this will be discussed in next session. Clear? So there are different types of fuels which are used in future. So that all will be discussed in next lecture.